Hello friends! Today I'm going to make a mini Oreo cake. Do you like these ones? I just love it! I have already collected all the ingredients. We can start creating our masterpiece. Join us soon! It's good that I have a multicolored fudge. I'll roll it out and make these wonderful sticks. Now, we need to break an egg. But at the same time, we have to separate the yolk from the whites. I have a special gadget for this. Look, the yolk remained on top, and the whites flowed down. It's very convenient. I pour sugar to the whites, add a little salt, and beat them with a spoon to make a foam. Hooray! I put some milk to the yolk, just like that. And some oil. A splash of vanilla syrup, and we can mix it. Wow! Flour is next. I'll pour it in small portions through a sieve, and then add cacao. I'll mix everything again so that the dough turns out without lumps. And here's the first bowl with foam. It's time to add it here. Great! I really like to cook. It's so cool! Our delicious dough is ready. Finally, we can pour it into a mold and put it to bake. Half an hour is quite enough. The main thing is not to miss the time. Look, the dough has doubled in size. And we have got such a huge cupcake, which will become a future cake. Cutting off the top and the bottom. I'll try to do it as smoothly as possible so that it turns out beautifully. Now, I will smear the top layer with cream. And my favorite knife will help me in this. Oh, great! I'll cover this layer with a pancake that I rolled out of fudge, pressing the sides and making a cookie. I'll decorate it with a circle on top and make some stripes. Oh, how cool! This is so nice! Now, I will make the bottom layer and put all the layers on it. I'll decorate them with colorful fudge. Ta-da! My amazing cake is ready! Do you see how easy and simple it is to make a masterpiece? Don't be afraid to repeat it at home. I'm sure that you'll definitely succeed. It looks so appetizing. Can't wait to try it. Thank you, friends. Please like this video. I tried very hard. Subscribe to the channel and write in the comments what your favorite food is. And we will cook it together. Or maybe I've already cooked it in another video. After all, there are a lot of different goodies on my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!